everyone, Tracy here. Today I'm going to share with you some layouts I made, and I'm going to put these on for the Saturday morning makes, even though I made them probably Saturday afternoon and all evening. But this is a collaboration that Jillian Norwood Designs came up with, and anybody can join in. You just do your hashtag Saturday morning makes, and then you can go and check out everybody else's beautiful art that they've done. And you can do scrapbooking, you can do card making, you can do like paper crafts, knitting, crocheting, cross stitch, any type of art that you do, you can share on this Saturday morning makes. So it's so neat to look at what everybody else is doing. So I made these layouts, and how it started was last November. My girlfriend Sharon, she went and signed up for the Crop and Create online event, and we've done them ever since they came to our town or our city. I don't even know how many years ago. And then because of the virus, it ended up being that what did I do? Oh, the first year I just did my own kind of online scrapbook and crop with my friends. And then Crop and Create from Scrapbook and Cards Today, they started having online events. So Sharon did their online event and got all their kits, but I have so much supplies, it's not even funny. So I went to her house and we did it together. I had my own supplies, brought my own stash with me. So that's what these are from. So this is one, and this is I write this information on the back of my layouts here. So these were my supplies, and the designer was Becky Adams, and then I write down what the event was and who I did it with. So my daughter phoned me, so I have no idea where I ended, because she phoned me, and I'm using my phone lately to do videos. So okay, I think I told you about the Crop and Create event, and these are not with their kits, but I kind of use the kits as a layout, or like as a sketch, I guess I should say. So here is the information. So this was a Becky Adams one, and these are all my own papers, and they are very old papers. And so I wanted to make it into a 2-page spread. Now, as you can see, there's no title or anything because I don't know what this is going to be used for. This is a really nice spring or summer page that I'm probably going to use it for camp. I have lots of camp pictures. So this was hers, and then this was just one that I did on my own so I could have a 2-page spread. And then this one here, where should I put these now? Then this one here, this was a Becky Adams sketch as well. Yeah, my supplies. And I think I switched it over because this was the original. This was one of her sketches, like I said, my own supplies, and this lifts up cool, right? And I wanted a 2-page, so I used the wood to mimic the wood here so they'd be a little bit more cohesive. So I did those two, so that's 4. Actually, I did 6. Go me. So, and these were like, I just wanted to finish them off. I had like 2 in this kit or 2 in that kit. So I just wanted to finish everything off. So this wasn't the right one. This was the one. This was a Vicky Bouton kit that my friend had purchased from the Crop and Create. So I just used my own papers. So this isn't even a Vicky paper. This is actually, I'm pretty sure, Heidi Swap paper from a long time ago, because I'm using up my stuff. I have such newer stuff and so pretty stuff. I don't know why. I feel like I need to like hoard it. So what Vicky did, and I didn't realize it because I don't read instructions or anything, was she used, and I did these ones on my own. Like the crop was in November. I did these on my own yesterday or Saturday. So this, she actually used her pattern paper. I forget which collection she used. I want to say Print Shop, but I'm probably wrong. So I'm not sure what collection she used. And so I look at the picture and I'm like, oh, okay, so I made my own. And then it wasn't until later I'm like, oh, you know what? Yeah, no, she used pattern paper, but I didn't have it. So there is that. That is, yeah, a Vicky design. So she designed this like sketch. I use it as a sketch, like I said. And then I wanted a 2-page. This is the only strip of paper I had in my scraps. So how I tied them both together. And this is my, oh, was this a Vicky design too then? Okay, so this is like her sketch too. Ooh, I have a bad memory. So I didn't have any more of this. This is the only piece of paper I had in my scraps. So how I tied them together was through these. And like I said, Vicky used her own paper. I made mine. And if you see this little bit of green here, I added it a little bit here. And then the film strip, this was a die cut I used. So this was a die cut I cut up on my Cuttlebug. And then so the background here, I took Tim Holtz Distress ink, put it on a block, like on a stamping block, spritzed it with water and just plopped it down, did another color, and then I cut it out and I added it to that one. And same here to tie them together. I used the same colors here to tie in with the colors here. And then what else did I do to tie them together? That's about it, I guess. And then these here I had in my stash, probably from an old Crop and Create. So I did those. So I actually did 6 layouts. Go me. But I have to actually put pictures on them all, and I'll talk about it another day, but I have a crate full of layouts that do not have pictures on them, that I have to get pictures on them and put them in albums. I'm still in the process of organizing my layouts, and look what I did. I added more work for me, but they turned out really pretty. I'm really happy with them. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. And I love to read your comments. So if you can leave me a comment, and if you do, I'll come out and check out your channel and leave you a comment and see what you've been up to as well. So thanks again, everybody. Hope you all have a very creative day today. Bye now.